I'm also start recording for you. I will upload all the things in a night only. Okay. I will share all the details in the night. Guys, this is a control panel. I'm going to take a backup of my PC. I didn't remember which PC I used last time. This is my professional PC. Pro. Very old image. Okay. See, backup and restore. So I'm going to backup and restore. Yes, backup is not setted till now. So no problem. Anyway, guys, when you see your PC, no need to do anything. Just read the things. Create a system image. What I'm saying is create a system image. Meaning is when you have a system, full system running very good. Maybe you got something risk is there. Maybe your disk may be corrupted. This possibility is disk may be corrupted. So you may restore the data, but you cannot restore the operating system, settings, user profile data, everything you can't able to restore it. So what is this system image backup? You can take complete image of your PC and store into different location. So what you will do? So you can connect your hard disk, like you purchase a new computer and everything is configured perfectly. System running very good. Now connect external hard disk or buy a one very big DVD or a Blu-ray. Okay, take a system image backup, store the image backup into your different locations. So why I told like this? Why? Because of if in case your hard disk is corrupted, you can able to restore your entire system from backup. So that is a system image backup. System image is a copy of drives required for a Windows to run. It can also include additional drives. A system image can be used to restore your computer if your hard drive or a computer ever stop working. However, you cannot choose individual item to restore. You can't individually, you can do it. If hard disk is corrupted or system stop working, you can able to restore entire PC. So that is system image disk. Still searching for a backup drives. I think I don't have a backup drives. I will verify that one. Okay, this is system repair disk. System repair disk. Okay, this is earlier days. Nowadays Windows 10 no problem, not much big problem. Automatically it go to repair options. Earlier days like a Windows XP 7, 8 like that. Windows XP 7 Vista not going to repair. So what to do? Better to create a repair disk. Better to create a repair disk. The repair disk contain a bootable files only. Repair disk contains bootable files, recovery tools. A repair disk can be used to boot your computer. It can also contains Windows system recovery tools that can help you recover Windows from serious errors or restore your computer from system images. So your system is got corrupted and you want to go for repair option. How to go to repair option? You don't have a DVD, for example. You can use this repair disk. So then you can go to repair option. So very simple. You need a CD. Not require DVD also. Just insert a CD into your CD-ROM or DVD-ROM and click create disk. So obviously you'll get a repair disk and write down on it repair disk. Before I'm going to this one, I will want to show you a few things. This is file history. You can go to the control panel. You can find a file history in the control panel. What is this file history? File history will save copy of your files so that you can get them back if they lost or damaged. For example, I have a data in my desktop or in the contacts are there and maybe documents are there, maybe pictures, my profile data. Okay, so my profile data only I can able to store in a different location like a external hard disk, pen drives. Okay, no usable pen drive has found. We recommend that you can use external drives for file history. Connect a drive or a refresh this page or use a network location. Okay, you can store your profile data. So you have a profile data like this. Okay, you can store the data into your network location or a external hard disk. And why we need this file history? What is the advantage of it? It only take the data of your profile, because usually D drive, E drive is okay, but operating system is corrupted. If operating system is corrupted, then you cannot able to recover it. Only I am showing advanced settings. Why? Because of these two are very important. Save copy of files. It means not every day like that, backup planning and all not required, guys. Simply you have to choose daily, every 1 hour, every 10 minutes also you can take a backup. Every 50 minutes you can take a backup. Every 1 hour you can take a backup. Every 6 hours you can take a backup. Every 12 hours you can take a backup. Like this, every backup is there. Keep saved versions. You can keep this data for 1 month. Means last 1 month before that will be deleted. It will keep the last 1 month data only. It will keep the last 6 months data only. It will keep the last 2 years data only. It will never delete any data. So this is the file history. This is also belongs to backup only. Okay. So these are the main things about your backup. But we need two things. One is we need a data and we need a disk for store the data.
Sir, in your host machine, host computer is there, sir.
What happened?
In your host computer, archive files will be backup or any files will be backup, sir.
In this normal backup, you are telling?
Yeah, yes, sir. This,
In this backup.
yes.
In this backup, you have to choose what to take a backup also possible. Okay. Yes. So first of all, I'm going to C drive. In a C drive, I'm going to create a folder. So why C drive? Because C drive is like a browsing is very easy. C drive, D drive, E drive, browse is easy. My system will be slow. That too, it is connected to internet. I said folder to create. Why it is not creating? Yeah, okay. Folder is created.
Sir, here Windows users is there, sir. In that some files will be there.
Yes.
They should be, without doing archive, they should be backup or not, sir. That is,
Without doing archive,
uh,
without taking a backup, they will backup or not? No, 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 no. You have to tell any backups. You have to. It's never backup. Data won't be backup until unless you configure some type of backup. Okay. You have to tell it is like a, you put a data in the profile like a desktop, file history. It's one type of backup kind of stuff only. Okay. Or you said like a store the data into OneDrive. Store the data into OneDrive, or maybe you write a program that whenever the data is triggered, so backup it like that. So you have to tell to that. If without taking any backup, data won't be backed automatically. Through application, like you can use a certain applications. Okay, so you can use like a automation configuration, backup the data every day like that. Automatic configurations also there. Okay, so I don't extend it, only this is I will show and I will close. Okay, if I said anything missing, remember ask me next time. So we'll complete next week. Possibly we be together in a different class session. So attributes, so archive attribute, but in this case is archive attribute one gun, guys. This is a data one in the C drive. I'm going to take a backup and store the backup into my E drive. Okay, here it is going to store. Don't worry what is you are seeing files. It is my PC. I have to remember which PC I am using also. Set up a backup. The first step is set up a backup. This is a backup practice on a Windows 10. Okay. Remember the important one topic we are not done, that is backup applications and architecture. That is I will tell on Monday, just the last 1 hour I will tell. Okay. Meantime, study all the things. So E drive, where you want to store the backup, E drive. Next, let Windows choose or let me choose. Let Windows choose means it will choose itself like a user profile data, system images, like that. Everything it will choose. No, no, no. I will choose myself what to take the backup. Let me choose. Okay. So anyway, it is choosing itself backup the data for newly created user, and it is choosing the user's profile data, like see video library, picture library, music, document, camera, roll, like that. Unselect everything, unselect everything, and unselect this one, guys. This is the system image drives, including UFA partitions, recovery partitions. Also, it is taking. Mine is only one folder. I want to take the backup of one folder, data one. Next. Now data one only, it is selected. Now save settings and run backup. Save settings and run backup. That's it. Okay. Now it is. I think it is running. And see, it is auto scheduling every Sunday at 7 o'clock. Okay, 19 minutes. Yeah, backup is in progress. You can view details what is going on. Yeah, so progress, shadow copy. So it is not yet created that folder. Let's wait. It will take. It should take very less time. Why it should take very less time? Because I choose very small data, right? Only 3 files. The maximum is 3K, 3 kilobytes.
Sir, is there any chance to conduct the interview next next week?
Next week.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. You don't. I think you don't have interview next week.
Sai sir said 7th, like that only sir said, sir.
I don't know. Just confirm with the Madhu sir only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
As you know, the syllabus how much you are completed. I don't know. So just confirm. Put a message and but compulsory prepare, guys. Start all of the sudden tomorrow is your interview. So you don't know, no? So like that.
Sir, I have confirmed. Sir,
Hmm?
he said I have confirmed with Madhu sir. Sir.
Okay.
He said it will be maybe, so he said better be prepared.
Yeah. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. Better be prepared. Okay. So don't worry, but be prepared, guys. It is very simple to prepare for an interview. It's very simple. Very first take the topic. First is take the topic. First go through what is what. What is what. Okay. You don't require any questions or all our kind of stuff. Very simple. Go through what is what. What is Windows? What is there in the Windows? What are the features? Minimum requirements. And what is this Hyper-V? What is Cortana? Like that. Next one is differences. What is this? What is that? Differences. What is RAID? What is LVM? What is volume? What is partition? What is Windows? What is Linux? What is server? What is client? What is work group? What is domain? Okay. What is DHCP? What is DNS? What is group policies? Okay. Like that. So you can go through what is what and differences. What is the differences? What is what only? Differences. If you know what is what, you'll find the differences. That is the first thing. All remaining things like a practicals, programs, write a program for a Python, like these are questions. That is completely depends upon you how to do it. It depends upon practice. The first primary thing is complete all the basics, what is what kind of stuff and differences. Later you can prepare for a subject wise in this one, in a programming wise kind of stuff. Okay. Yeah, it is completed. So this is my backup file. It is look like this one. So it is a backup file. First of all, go to control panel. Backup is completed. Okay. You can change the settings if you want it. You want to take a backup. Again, you can take a backup. You can restore it also. For example, as I said, backup is completed. As I said, backup is completed, right? So I'm going to C drive. Data 1. I delete all the files. I delete 2 files, no problem. Where files go? Recycler bin, as you said. Okay, it is in the recycler bin. I am removing from recycler bin also. So don't know. So we are not recovering from recycle. File 2, file 3 deleted. File 2, file 3 deleted. Now I am recovering that files. Recover my files. Click on recover my files or your backup location where the backup is this one. Here it is. Here also you can do it. Okay. So search for a files or a folder. I search for a folder. Browse for a folder. So hierarchical. See, automatically it is came. C drive, data 1, add folder. So I'm recovering entire folder. Next, original location, following location. I choose original location. Recovering. Go to C drive, original location only. So file 1 is there. So once restore it, once restoration is done, yes. You want to copy, replace, don't copy like that because file 1 is there, no? So copy and replace. No data changes. Restored. We restored files. Data 1. See, these 3 files are showing. Okay. You want to see the data is there or not? You can see. Finish. Yeah, why it is not showing? Yeah, it is showing now. Okay. This is how to take a backup and restore the data in a Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8 systems. It's a single system backup. Guys, why we need a backup? Why not just a copy a data from one system to another hard disk? Okay, because when you take a backup, it maintain the metadatabase, right? From what is the original location you are taking a backup, when you are taking a backup, so how to restore the into original location, that information is there and it is there in the single file only. If you look at this backup, you can take a backup. Okay, you can, if you look at this backup, single file only. So you open this file, restore kind of stuff, it is showing manage space like a. Okay, so I choose browse files or search or anything, just it is, see, direct files are there like this. Okay, it's a very simple to access from one single name. So you can get a original location of the file easily, you can able to restore it instead of writing somewhere like this is a this particular folder, this is a data from other folder like that. So it is exact, you can able to replace. Guys are okay or any you want to do anything with this practical?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Um, I want to means one or two things is there, but What I done? Backup. Windows 10. Okay, that is I said, but I didn't write anything. Just you have to look at the system video and do it. I am unable to write it. Okay. Let's look at here. What we done. This is my system. For example, I have a external hard disk, some location. Connect. Okay. This is a PC. One single PC. This is a just a disk or a drive or a location. Okay. So backup location. Backup location. Okay. So here I have a data. I took a backup and I stored the backup into backup location. Okay. So that is what we done in Windows 10 also we done. Okay. We have a data and we put a data into our backup location. So this is single tier architecture. Single tier architecture. Okay. Standalone backup. This is standalone backup architecture. Standalone backup architecture. Okay. So next one is two-tier architecture is different, but before going to two-tier architecture, same diagram. This is PC and this is a same backup storage. Normally we use default tools to take a backup. We use a Windows 10 tools to take a backup. I use some application for easy to maintain a backup, for more understanding, more console kind of stuff. I take a backup and store the backup into remote location. I use certain applications. What are the applications we use to take a backup for like that? EaseUS, Recova, okay, Netbackup, okay, Netbackup, Semantic Netbackup, Veritas, Netbackup, veeam, veeams or veeams, veeam or veeams. So 1 second, I will verify that one. It's always I got advertisement. No. Backup. veeam, meow. veeam. Veeam is also a software for a backup. IBM Tivoli. IBM Tivoli is also a backup solution. Is also a backup solution. Not only this kind of guys, so there is a lot of different type of backups are there. Standalone backups, server-based backups. Backup server applications, server applications. It is standalone backup server applications, different type of applications. I mentioned already in this one. It may be somewhere you can try to find it. Application names are there. Yeah, it is a Netbackup. It is a Netbackup. So go to the diagram, you will understand. Okay, you'll get that one. Here it is. Okay, backup exe, Netbackup, EMC backup, networker, Datto, HV data protector, veeam backup and replication, IBM Tivoli. Okay, this data only. We don't need any other thing. It is not copying. Okay, HP data protector. We'll see and type, otherwise net worker Datto EMC Rubric. Rubric is cloud backup manager. Cloud backup manager. Netbackup I have written. Netbackup is first always. Okay, yeah, that is enough. Guys, what is this server backup and application? I've written a standalone one. Okay, and using application also you can manage the backups. But thing is, in an organization, you can't go to each and every PC to take a backup. You can't go to each and every PC to take a backup. So what I will do, I will install a centralized server. I install a centralized server, and in the clients, okay, for example, APC, BPC, C, D, E. This is a server, means server application is here, backup application is here. The application related agents is there, means backup server application agents are stored in the clients. Agent means, okay, LIC agent. What LIC agent do? Works for LIC, right? LIC agent work for LIC. Same thing. These agent is nothing but a piece of program, works for this application. This agent will send our data to tell the backup information to our server. So we have a storage spaces, right? So that's a symbolic representation of storage. Okay, it is a symbolic representation of storage. Okay, so what it will do? Server verify the backup, means based on the schedule, based on the program, take the backup and store the backup into backup location. It is means centralized backups thing. Server take the backup, store the backup into location. Server take the backup, store in centralized, means all your backups, A backup, B backup, C backup is available in single place only. It is very easy to restore it back from the server. Okay, it is very easy to restore it from the server. For example, this is ACE data. ACE data stores in central backup like this. This is B's data. Sorry, 1 second. This is B's data. B's data is taken a backup and server stores my backup in the central location in B's folder. Means name with the B's. C data taken and store in the central location, like a SAN and NAS kind of stuff. C's data. Same goes for other things also. So what is the advantage is? So you need to go to each and every PC. You need to go to each and every PC to take the backup. Backup is configured and managed. Backup is configured and managed from the server only. Managed and server only. Backup is configured and managed from the server only. And it stores in the centrally. Okay, backup stores only. Whatever the spelling it is, centrally. Okay, no need to go to each and every PC to take a backup. Simply manage the backup centrally, store the backup centrally. So this is the what we use this is why we are using backup server application. By using backup server applications like a IBM Tivoli. Okay, you have a list, right? You have a IBM Tivoli kind of stuff like this. Net backups. Okay, Veritas, Netbackup. Actually, Veritas, semantic, Veritas, Netbackup. These are all same only. I put a extra name. That's it. Okay, just for adding a one thing. Okay, Tivoli, data protector. These are all centralized network backups we use here. Okay, these applications. These are the applications. Okay, guys, understand? I want to finish. If anybody say and not understand, I will start again. Oh, everybody gone also. Very good, no problem. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.